Welcome to your 5th grade nightmare. Today we're going to be going over multiple digit multiplication. In this case, very simple multiple digit multiplication, 2 digits 63, 2 digits 47. Something that my kids just did today, and we're working on it, so they need to have this video for the weekend. To start off with, we don't do the standard algorithm right off the bat. We try to teach the kids some other methods so that when they use the standard algorithm, they have something they can use to check themselves. So here we go. We got 63. And in this case, we break 63 into expanded form. So that would be 60 plus 3. And we do the same thing with 40 and 7. So we have something like a grid area box here, all right? And what we do is we take these numbers and we match them up. So that's 60 times 40 and 60 times 7. We have 40 times 3 and 7 times 3. All matching up across the grid. Then we do our simple arithmetic. Remembering that we've learned that when we multiply numbers with zeros in it, we don't really have to worry about the zeros. We can just count them. 40 has 1 0, 60 has 1 0, so we're starting our answer with 2 zeros. 6 times 4 is 24, so that's 2,400. 1 0 in 40 times 3, so we add a 0 in there to start our answer. 4 times 3 is 12, so that's 120. 60 times 7, again, 1 0. 6 times 7 is 42, so 420. Then finally, 7 times 3, 21. Why does this work? Why does this just adding the 0 work? If we take a quick look in this box, we said 40 times 3. We know multiplication is repeated addition. So if we took 40 plus 40 plus 40, triple zeros, 0, 4 plus 4 is 8, plus 4 is 12, 120. These two match up, you double checked. This works. Now that we have our answers in our grid area model, what we do is we got to take these numbers and we've got to add them up to get our final answer. So, neatness counts, as always, all values in the same column. 2,000. 400. Take the next largest number, that's how I like to do it, 420. It doesn't matter what order you do it, as long as everything is aligned. 120 and 21. We add those together. Triple 0 equals 0, plus 1 is 1. 0 plus 2 is 2. 2, 2, 2 is 6. 4 plus 4 is 8, plus 1 is 9. And finally, we drop the 2 down for 2,961. We double check this using our standard algorithm. We always need to make sure that we're using the standard algorithm, because while this is good to learn off of, in the end, the standard algorithm, as you get older, is going to be the fastest and the easiest model to use when you don't have your phone and calculator with you. All right? So, very simply, $63 times 47. 7 times 3 is 21. Regroup the 20 up top, 7 times 6, which is really 7 times 60, but 7 times 6 is 42, plus 2 is 44. All right, now, placeholder, because we're multiplying by 4, but that 4 is really a 40. It's a value of 40, so it has a 0. Drop the 0, placeholder. 4 times 3 equals 12. 2 comes down. 1 comes up top. I cross off that old number to make sure it's no longer a part of the equation. That 2 looks awful. All right. Then we have 4 times 6. 4 times 6 is 24, plus 1 is 25. Then we add. 1 plus 0 equals 1. 4 plus 2 equals 6. 4 plus 5 equals 9. Drop down our 2. Add in 2,961. We have just double checked our entire problem. But understanding this is important for the beginning math, multiple digit multiplication learner. I hope that helps. Do another one on expanded, but this is it for now.